John Osborne here with Basecamp Trading, and this is the video of the day. Today we're looking at an ETF called NUKZ, which is made up of a lot of companies that are involved in nuclear business. Let's take a look and see why we're interested here. First of all, we have a bull flag set up for today. That means we moved higher and pulled back, and we kept our momentum going. And now if we break the previous bar's high, we can trigger that bull flag. So assuming we don't trigger it before the close today, it's about 3:30 right now. But if we don't trigger it today, then we'll be looking to break this bar's high tomorrow. Now, that's not the only reason why we're interested in this. In fact, normally we would not take this trade because we have a resistance right above us. And that's what makes this more interesting, because if we're able to trigger it, we're also going to go through this previous resistance. You can see we've come up a few times near 75 before, where we got close to breaking through but didn't quite. So if we can trigger the bull flag, maybe tomorrow, we'll see if we can push higher, and not necessarily getting into the trade at that point. I think I'd rather wait to get above this 75.03. Then we'll be breaking through a few different resistances here. And then you ask, well, what does this green line mean? Well, that is the chart high, or most likely the all-time high here. And that means that we are breaking into new territory and no history of prices that we can turn to. And what do we do in that case? Well, I like to draw a Fibonacci at that point on a recent pullback, and we get an example of potential moves like you can see right here. And the first one would be at the 123.6% at 77.42. So in summary, we're waiting for the bull flag potentially to trigger above Monday's high of 74.10. And if that follows through, the initial target of that is going to be up at 74.86. What I'd like to see actually is it break above 75.03 and then start to watch some of these targets up here, putting in new all-time highs. If you like this kind of analysis, come join us for 30 days for just $7. You can get the link to do that down in the comments below.